How to fix Instagram DM not loading. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, just hit the subscribe button, that helps me, so thanks guys. So after that, open the Instagram app, and then just when you come to the DMs, when you refresh, if this not refreshes over there, so just check it out in internet connection. After that, just go to any browser and search DM detector, down detector, and then just click to the Instagram. When you see more spike over there, that means Instagram is down right now, that's why your DMs not loading. After that, you can see app logging website, app is now 54% reported problem, and login is 33% and website is 13%. So and then just if this not work, then just uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. If also not work, then just restart your device and all problems will be gone. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.